In this video, we are going to run through exactly how to convert any website into an WebView Android app or an Android app for 100% free. So we are going to learn the exact steps to do so, and this is a very easy process. So watch this video fully, and this is a step-by-step guide. So stay tuned and follow up with me. And now let's jump into it. So as the first step in the process of converting any website to a WebView Android app, now first of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome, and then I'm going to search for apps Gazer. By the way, AppsGazer is a free app maker where we can create apps without the knowledge of coding. So now I'm going to proceed to this link as the second step, and as the third step, now I'm going to click on login to AppsGazer, and here I have reached to my login page. So I can simply log in through the email and the password by proceeding with this. But I'm going to log in with the easiest and the best method, which is to continue with Google. So now let's try to click on continue with Google. And here it says me to select my Google account. So now I'm going to select my Google account. So okay, now I have reached to my dashboard page of appsgazer.com. And now let's try to create an WebView Android app of your website. So how to create? Simply proceed to AppsGazer dashboard, and you can simply click on create app over here, and this says me to select my app type or the app maker, to select the app maker. So now let's proceed to the individual section here, and let's click on website. In this website section, this asks me my website's URL. So now in this video I'm going to convert this website into an Android app. So now I'm going to paste the copied URL here, and now I'm going to click on get content. So simply click on get content and click here to see the preview of your application. So this is my application preview. So as you guys can see, this looks pretty nice. So let's click on next in order to proceed forward. So it asks me my application's name. So now I'm going to enter as Windows Central. So we have successfully entered the application name. So let's try to click on next in order to proceed forward. And this will ask me my application's icon. So now I'm gonna upload my application's icon. So how to upload it? Simply click on custom and click on upload. So then choose your icon and click on open. So now I'm gonna click on crop. So as you guys can see, my icon is successfully appearing. So now I'm going to click on next to proceed, and this says me I have created or I have finished all of these steps. So now I need to click on the final step, which is clicking the button create. So now I'm going to click on create. So now my app is building. As you guys can see, it's built successfully. So now I'm going to click on download to download it, and this says me as download your app, and you can get it via your email or QR code, or you can simply proceed to this link. So the easiest step is to proceed with this link. So now I'm going to open this link, and now I'm going to click on download to download my application. and this says me your download will automatically start. Okay, now my application is downloaded, or my download has been started. So now I'm going to click on show all in order to see the progress of my download. And we have successfully converted our website into an Android app for 100% free and easily. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe Techy Main YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.